As a publisher, the metadata of your books is really important. However, producing valid ONIX files and sharing them to your trading partners is complex and demanding. What if you could make this process automatic and manage your metadata all in a single place? Well, ONIXEDIT lets you do exactly that and a lot more. ONIXEDIT offers several powerful solutions to suit your title management needs. You can easily create ONIX metadata files and automatically share them with your trading partners around the world. Use the cloud to manage your titles from any platform, anywhere, at any time. You can convert your existing Excel files into valid ONIX files, and vice versa. ONIXEDIT offers the most advanced and precise validation engine, so your ONIX files can comply with the norms and best practices of the book industry, as well as your own custom validation standards. Take control of your book metadata at ONIXEDIT.com.